Hi there, my name is Sarah. I live in Singapore. Originally from New Zealand. I'm 5 years old. I come from a family of 4, including my parents and younger brother. My parents are both hardworking and dedicated to their family. My father is a doctor, and my mother is a teacher. I'm a student in class 3. My favorite subject is math. My hobbies are drawing. My favorite food is biryani. In my free time, I also enjoy playing football. I'm here to learn, share, and connect with the English learning community. It's great to meet everyone here.